All right, guys, this is just a quick review of dividing exponents. I'm not quite sure if we actually did this in class, but I want to make sure that you guys are familiar with this before we move on, before we apply this to our factoring, okay? So this is the sheet that's in the assignment, so make sure you click on it, follow along. I'm going to do 3 problems for you and then submit the other 7 to this assignment, okay? When we divide exponents, you subtract them, okay? And I'm going to show you what that means. So, really, forget about the numbers right now. I want you to be comfortable with the exponent part. So x to the 10th means x times 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 x. How many is that? One more. There's 10 of them, right? It means x times itself 10 times, okay? And so if we're going to divide x to the 9th, which means there are 9 of them, so that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, okay? So we have x to the 10th divided by x to the 9th. If you write it out like this, you can see that if I am able to divide anything by itself, it cancels out, right? When we divide 2 divided by 2, right, we cancel it out, it becomes 1. 100 divided by 100 cancels out, becomes 1. All right, anything divided by itself is 1. So that's why we're able to essentially cancel it out, because 1 times anything is that number. So so when we write it out like this, we're able to cancel 1 with 1, right? An x and an x are gone. An x and an x. X, that's 4. There's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? And then how many are left? Well, this one up top. So you have x to the first, or just x. So essentially, I'm taking 10, and I'm minusing 9, and I have 1 left. Right? That's why when I divide variables with exponents, I just subtract the exponents. Okay? It's a little, I won't call it a shortcut, but it's a good way to solve these things. Okay? So I'm going to do, I'll do one more showing you how, again, the number, I'm not concerned about the numbers right now. Just look at the variables. So I'm going to write it out again. So there, r to the 5th means there are 5 r's. And then r to the 2nd, or r squared, means there are 2. So I'm able to cancel out 1 with 1. And then how many are left? 3. All right, so your answers are to the 3rd. Okay? Number 4, this is the last one I'll do, but I have v to the 5th. I'm going to show you, this is a cool scenario here. Okay. Again, forget about the 9. Just do v to the 5th divided by v to the 5th. I cancel 1 with 1. How many are left? None. So my answer is 1. Right? It's a number divided by itself, so it's gone. Okay? So finish the rest of the 7. Just worry about the numbers. Worry about the exponents. And then give me an answer. There won't be any that go away. But the key thing is subtract the exponents. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know.